Okay, so let's try this one. We have 6x plus 5y equals 7, 2x minus 4y equals negative 26. We need something to look the same, right? We have multiple options. It would be more steps, it would be more work, but we could do this. We could multiply the top one by 4 and the bottom one by 5, and then we'd be able to eliminate our y. But we see we have a 6x and a 2x, and if we multiply 2 times 3, then we'll have 6x. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's multiply everything in the bottom equation. We're going to multiply by 3. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 4y is 12y, and we keep our subtraction sign, so negative 12y. And 3 times negative 26 is going to be negative 78. Okay, if you want to use a calculator, I'm again not opposed to that. Okay, so we have 6x minus 12y equals negative 78, and we also have 6x plus 5y is equal to 7. And if we add these, then we're going to have a problem, right? 6x plus 6x is 12x. That doesn't eliminate it. That just makes it bigger. And we're trying to eliminate it. So let's subtract these two equations. 6x minus 6x, that's 0. So that cancels. Negative 12y minus 5y, that's going to be negative 17y. Lovely number. Negative 78 minus 7, that's going to be negative 85. Okay, this will work out quite nicely then. We need to get the y by itself. We're trying to solve for y, so divide both sides by negative 17. Negative 17 divided by negative 17, that cancels out. We get y. And negative 85 divided by negative 17, remember if we have two negatives, the negatives cancel, we get positive. And that would be 5. Yes, 85 divided by 17 is 5. Okay, so now that we know our y value, we're going to plug that back into either of our equations, really any of our equations. We're going to plug that 5 in. So let's plug it into our top equation, because we haven't done as much with that one yet. So we're going to plug that into our top equation, and we get 6x, we haven't figured out what x is equal to yet, plus 5 times y. And instead of y, remember we're going to plug in what y is equal to. And we solved for y, and we found that y is 5, so 5 times 5. 6x plus 5 times 5 is equal to 7. 5 times 5 is 25, so we get 6x plus 25 is equal to 7. If we subtract 25 from both sides, that's going to cancel. We get 6x equals 7 minus 25 is negative 18. If we divide both sides by 6, then x is equal to negative 3. And so our ordered pair would be negative 3, 5. And that's our final answer. Okay. Again, with any of these solving systems of equations, it just takes practice. So the more opportunities you take to try it out and figure out what you might be doing wrong, the better you're going to get at it.